In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now tap on this icon of a clipboard at the top of it and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To paste it after an hour, you need to hold it and tap on pin icon to pin it. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, you can hold it and use pin button or swipe it to the right. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!